All right, still a guy big tank from Double South, and now bro Swagba website now. Now see the design. So we enter the part one of the website. So if you adopt my Photoshop now, so first we'll go down bit by bit, section by section like that. So for this video now this first section now we'll create. So I could just on the Photoshop here like this now. Then I could just pick the colors so that we'll get exactly the same stuff. So I'll be like, say it did for here now. Then I'll try to use to gauge the font and all this other stuff, both the spacing and the rest. I turn up for now, I already arrange the pictures them and everything down. Where be like, say what you do this website, and inside them a folder for this place here now. If you see them, for example, my asset folder now, I already create the picture. So this one's now designed with Photoshop, and almost on my website where I started create. I'd always make sure I design my picture in Photoshop so that the thing will match the width and the height and the rest things. So I plan to do for inside the website. So one or two and Shamo just enter the code in direct. So I go open my text editor now, my Visual Studio Code, and see I say na blank slate now. I never do anything for inside here. So I already create index notation. I'm just view the folder structure. You see I get the assets folder, the CSS folder, fonts, JavaScript, then web fonts. This one I not use this one again, but now this one I will use. But once you go, once you go, anyhow. So what I'll do is say I'll come here now, say HTML5. So it's my MS plugin now. So if you know say you never master and I just slide into my videos them. I already teach you how to do this stuff before. So I'll just give the name of the document, workbar, then I'll go my Firefox, make a refresh. You see meaning the thing they load. So what I go do now, I'll try to bring in my CSS files them now. So this style the CSS file create for here now. So I'll carry enter here, then make sure see the styles and everything what I need now, they're going to appear like that. So that I was going to come this place now, see link, then inside the link now, see CSS slash style.css. See CSS style.css. Then I'll come this place now, might just duplicate this one. I'll come and reset style sheets to reset the browser styles now. All those default styles within the browser so that I go do my own from scratch. Then I'll come here now, in RDB, my own semantic, I must use them. So I'll come here, I'll say CSS slash on semantic grid responsive. You get, if you not still understand this one, I already create video for them. So all you need to do now to go watch the video so that you can understand what to do here. Now come here now, I'll link to CSS slash all. So this all now, this one are the come from our web font now, or our font rather for Font Awesome. Well, we use the create fonts now, which is all this where am again? All these fonts one I see for here now. So I don't wanna we use the run now. So quickly, might just do something here now. Just say body, and might get the background color. Make the color be red first, most whether the CSS don't load. You see the CSS don't load now. So that I'll do now quickly now. I go use this color now already here now. So what I'll do, I'll just come my Photoshop now, select my picker. You see this picker now, I'll click. So when I click now, it'll pick the color for me. So the color there now, which is this now, I'll copy this color. Now I'll go use. I'll copy the color now I'll go use. So I'll come here now. Instead of this red now, I'll just say hash. Then paste that value there. I'll go my Firefox now, refresh, see it'll show like this. So if you see what they do here now, so this first part now, so it be like there is the header tag for this place here. There is the header tag here. So what we'll do here, we'll create the header, then we'll create how many grid now. We go use grid 30. We use grid 30 to put the logo inside. Then we'll put the other menu and this navigation I will put up inside grid 70 like that. So I'm just write the HTML quickly. So I'll come here, give myself small space here. So I'll come here, I'll say header. I might not use a emet like that so that I'm not too confused. I'll just use them small. But I know some I'll see full sharp, but I'll see all of us are already sharp. So container, then inside I'll say grid 30. Grid 30. So this grid 30 now, I'll create logo, that is div. I'll give them class logo, then I'll just say h1. So this h1 now, I'll type bros wegba VWEGBA bros wegba dot. So if you look this thing again, Chef, you see and say this one, the color different, why is one color different? Meaning one of them put up a span. So which one we'll put now? I'll put this first on the bros now. I'll put up a span tag now. So I'll come here. Give myself small space here. I'll just say span. Then I'll cut this one out now. Ctrl X. I'm supposing that in now. Cut on. Put on here like this. Then we'll do the logo now. So this grid 30 will come down by the side now. We'll say dot grid 70. So the grid 70 now will create nav tag. So inside nav tag now you get another list. Then the another will get list item. How many lists did there now? So I think we'll get about 4 things now at that time now. I'll see collections, about, showroom, contacts. All right. So I'll just SMS quickly. I'll say a times 4. Times 4. Then inside go get majors type collections. I go change that later. Okay. So select this, and this. Then I'll put this hash so that when we click now, the thing will just not go anywhere now, will just refresh here. So we get collections here now, and I'll make a capital letter here first. Then we'll get about. The other one are showroom and contact now, be showroom and contact. Showroom and contact. So more just style this one quickly now. So before we start, I might just refresh my say. Okay, you see I'm now. Get bros wegba, then we'll get these collections and this one now. So more just style and sharp now. So if you look at now, most of this one, we'll get this color here, and we'll get this color. So what we would do, in fact, more first style the header. So I'll come my code again for the CSS now. I'll say header, and if you look space did the top now, this is space here. So they definitely put something like a padding there. So I'll come and say padding, and I'll just say 30 pixel for the top, then 0 pixel for the right, and I'll put 30 pixel. Minus 20 pixel. 20 pixel. We'll put on your screen. Can you imagine? 20 pixel, then 0 pixel here. So I'll go back, refresh. No, maybe this one. I'll go my browser. I'll refresh. This one say the spacing don't come here now, so fine. So now I'm gonna style this logo first, mostly. So I'll come this place now. I'll say enter inside header, look for this logo class. Then inside logo class now target the H1. So the H1 will target there now. And mind you, the font web I'm going to use on this website, I already installed it from inside my system. I don't install off my system, so or they call off my system, but I know teaching off my CSS videos that time say you feed the core fonts directly from the web, so that you don't need to upload all those things you get, all those stuff like that. Just go check out my video, maybe see do a test me now. But for the purpose of all these tutorials here, I'll just use one web license and stuff for my system. You can see make the thing fresh, you get. So without doing, I'll come in and I'll say okay, I want to capitalize the text now. So text transform now. Text transform. Capitalize. Mostly. In that relation, better say I already do them. I don't really do all these things myself for here now. So you're not really sure. So I'll come here now. I'll say, may the font family be Lato. Let's see. Might increase the font size. So the font size, I go use like 20 pixel. Then I'll say make the color. If I'm more color the color first, I'll go back to my Photoshop. So I'll color the color. I'll scroll, then pick come back. Okay. So what will pick now? E24859. I like this color, so E24859. The color be this a bit. You know, say second times. Any sure. We'll just pick them again. I'll pick. It's just not different shades and not there like this now. You see? Different shades not there. But anyone will do. You suppose work. You see, I say that change again now. Check this out. So I'll just click OK. Then I'll go back. I'll say color and Ctrl V. So mine's on my browser, my refresh most it will get. The color never changed. What would you do wrong now? Okay. I'll not put the ash here. This is my mistake. I'll not put ash here. So if I refresh, we don't get this color now. But if you look this in here, you see I say this guy thick. You see I say this guy thick now. So I'll come here. And in fact, this font, if I not like this font, mine is Open Sans. Open Sans. I go show now where I did show now for those my CSS videos now where to they download fonts. So now if you go download all these fonts if you need them. So that now for the I'm going to follow along where. But for the meantime, when I just do one like this ago. So I'll come here, I'll say font weight. We'll give the font weight now. That's in bigger, so I'll say like 800. Refresh. Oh, does it come here? That refresh now. We'll get to do the fine now. So more change this color now. More change this color. What I go do? Let's see. I do this incorrectly, so if you know what, we'll pick this one. We'll pick this one. So pick oh sorry. We'll pick this color. So move first color this way bar. I'll say okay. Manage just our copy and we'll Ctrl C. I'll click OK. I'll go back then. I'll paste them here. Okay. Then the next thing I go do here, refresh. Okay, we don't get this one. So now we'll get to color this one. That's color that time now you see. But in fact, might just copy the color out first. Ctrl C. Take them back. So that by the time I don't come here now, if you see header dot logo h1 span, you get. Then if you see color hash this now. If we refresh, try to do it again now. H1 and they put HI. When I take care from what be like say on the right of this thing, so because if you go type rubbish now, you got if now somewhere will I say the codes up plenty and I go to work on rubbish now. That's so madness at the start because by the time you want to start to the debug now, got to find where the error did now. If you never experience this in there, if you cash when show, I'll tell you true. I need to add us for this business. So we don't get this brush work banner. We don't get now we'll do this menu. So to do the menu now, what we go do, we'll target the nav. We'll target the nav. So I'll just come here now. I'll see header and nav UL and more floater. More floater and go right. More floater and go right. So we'll float them now. We'll see. We don't get this one now. We don't float them like this now. And another one we'll do again. One make and make the thing may not come down like that now. You get may not the after the collection about may not come down, make it the inline. So what we'll do, we'll go come here, merge out duplication. I'll say UL LI, then I go float this other one left. Or float on left. Then I refresh my say. They see we don't get this in now. See all these dots where they are now, the bullet now, so more come out. So to come out now, I say list style type none. This one say they'll come out now. So we don't come out and then what we need to do, we need to space them. If you see this one now, they get space here. So the space them now, I'll say margin. More use margin. So I'll say margin left. Margin left to give her like 30 pixel. Mostly. Give her like 30 pixel. Okay, that's shift, but if you see the space for year to year now, so the space they actually bigger. More try 50. So I'll say 50. Refresh. I like it like this. So now would I get this one? Wait. This is something. You see and I say this collection now. I don't know if you can bring this ruler come. You see this place now. You see them? They actually this centered one kind now. Not be the top here now idea. This centered. But if you look this other web like see there now, you see and say it go the top one kind. So what we go do? I'll come at the UL now. We'll target the UL. So I'll say margin top. We'll get the margin top like 10 pixel. Like 10 pixel. We'll see. That kind of small like this. Alright, so the next thing we need to do now, we need to target this anchor tag so that we go come out of this line where like say I did button and then we'll change the font and change the color. So I might just copy this one for you now. I'll say A. So what we'll do now, we'll say okay, enter this header, look for this nav. When you see nav, enter the UL, enter the LI, then target the A. Now we'll say we share now. So when we see this A now, what we'll do with the first thing, we'll say display block. Might not really need this one share, but more will leave like the display block. Then I'll change the font family to Mada. I like this font and a very fine font. Advice I'm gonna download them. Before I download any other font, Mada and Lato font, I'm gonna try to download them. So decoration, that's for that underline now. I'll say none. So more go back more see. I think I like this. But the font now, I say the font's too big compared to it we'll get for here. The font's too big compared to it we'll get for here. So that I'll come here. I'll say font size. Font size onto like 14 pixel. So kind of this guy put the two side or just they make the fonts the big in here. Let's say we be blind people. Normally, when you create website, font suppose at least you're doing such a way that not too big, not too small. May still fine for person eye. You get may still fine for person eye. Because normally for the website now this is now to the looker now phone to the looker. We'll not put up a distance. Not be big body, be web like say we'll call the strain our eyes because the font's too small. My phone I would put for until they look at, or go put laptop for our phone to go look at. So font don't need to big any like that. But I'll give this font now 14 pixels. Why the font weight now 500 now? Because notice now for you see this one tick more compared to what we'll get for you. So I'll refresh. We don't get something like this now. We'll get something like this. So more change the color. I think the color here. The color has to get to, because the thing not too sharp for eye like this. What we go do now? Which color we go use? More is the color like what to do Egba. More is the color what to do Egba. So now I'll just go back to my editor now. I'll copy this color here and I'll paste them here. I'll refresh. And I like witty I get now. So if you see now, just some few codes like so right now, we don't get this first part of the website now, which is Bros Wegba, the collections here, and this other one now. So onto this other side now. So move first do this once ready here now. So do go more try to understand what they do here now. So if you look at now, this guy in a section with this now. A section with this. So this section now definitely put over that grid container now for the semantic. Then this other side be like with it on your own, while this other picture now be like it there. I'm not sure it's not background with this. This one an image on your own now. So we'll come here because they do it in such a way that, because the same thing I do. I come here and I just like carry this picture, call fade or the edge so that it go mash to the background of this body now. So if you look this one now, this one like the one grid, this one another grid. So we'll create grid, then we'll create class, div class where like say go contain all these things for here now. So this one will be like H1, this minimalism, creativity and productivity will be like H1. Then this other text where the now will be paragraph. Why this one for you now? So if you use button or if you use anchor tag, then we'll style and make it be like button. Then here now will just be the image what we need now. So I'll go my text editor now. I'll come here. I'll say section E tab to expand. Then I'll say grid container. So this is grid container now. More look this in again. This one is smaller here. So if it's okay, I'll give this one like grid 40, then maybe this one be grid 60. So I'll come here, I'll say grid 40 plus dot grid 60. So that by the time we expand them now, it could create the two level for us like that. So we'll first start with this grid 40 right there now. So that will do. All of the way inside here now, so I'll go wrap up inside one div now. So I'll just call on team. Then I'll create the H1 and all these things for inside now. So I'll come here now. I'll say dot team, and inside the team now we'll get H1, and the H1 now we'll get minimalism, comma, we'll look that one again. Creativity and productivity. So if you see, I even break now, so we'll get to put BRO for here inside the H1. So I'll come in after this one, I'll say BRO tab. Then I'll say creativity. I'll put my comma, BRO again, tab, and productivity. Not spell that well. Productivity. Correct now. So after the H1 now, we'll say P, and I'll just do that lorem sharp. Lorem like this to give us our Latin lorem ipsum dollar, blah, 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 blah. So I'll create the anchor tag and I'll put hash here since you know the leads go anywhere. And what's the rest of that place again? Explore. Plore. Explore. Alright, so we'll get this one like this. Must see. Refresh. Okay. So I think we'll work for here. We'll do me fine just now. We'll pancake her very soon. So we'll do this one. More just add the picture quickly. More just the picture. So that we'll just start it together now. Since this is the section I want to do before we end this video, enter the next one. So I'll come here, I'll say since we give this guy theme, why not just name this one theme image? And mind you, you are totally free. You feel name anything, whether like say you like name now your computer, now your website, now you know. Anything what you want to do, now you know. You need to spell my work. But just follow me, see what I do. Now I go back to my this thing, see that picture, where the picture without the name. So now the picture. Abi? This one now. So I call it BG2 and a PNG file. So I'll come here now. I'll say BG2.png. .png. I'm supposed to write something here, but I just leave it like that. I'm not picking myself. I leave it like that. Alright. So now enter the browser. Most see it will get here. See the picture. So that's the big in here. Big lao. Don't worry. We are going to put you in shape. The other smells the big in here. Big line. So we'll first start this one. Shall I leave that guy? We'll first start this one. What we'll do now? We'll come here. I just say section. Not section A now. Section A. So that at least I'll feel this will write many code now. So that we'll know where and where we'll stop for each section. So I'll say section A. And we'll just put height first. We'll say the height now like, let's see. Which is I gauge. We'll say the height like 700 pixel. Height 700 pixel. Then padding button. Normal for sections for websites. Padding button 30 pixel. Then background color. I see the body now. I'll just copy it for you. This one. So background color now this guy. We'll drop on here like this now. So we'll just refresh mostly. And also you need to send any difference share, but at least we write code. So can you notice the difference? But very soon it will still resemble this. I will run now. More they go. So the next thing I'll come in, I'll say dot section. Now I see where though. Dot section section A. Inside section A now look for theme, which is this div word here now. So look for this one now. So I'll come here, I'll say theme now theme. Make sure so that this dot where they write now, this is not class, so me not go put comma, if it's not dot now you put. You get time is the kind of times you get the kind of font where you're supposed to use. We're gonna make it not too black, say dot and comma call resemble each other. So they no confuse you. This is the kind of people that not get I. I know cursor now, but I just the learn and know. So people don't just put command out of say maybe na dot now they put for there, but na comma they put. Then later they ask me many questions. See what do you mean that they work on my own? So man of complain safe. All those people they know for themselves. So would I say theme? We'll leave this one. I'm gonna write anything first. I'll come here because I'll do something for the shop, but I'll leave out. You know what? Most of this thing again first. Because if we're not looking well, we'll just maga. I'll look at again. This picture. I know like this picture makes picture small first. I beg. So I'll come here, more target the image. Before we target the image, I'm going to first target the container of the image now, which is this team image now. So I'll say dot section A. Inside, look for team image. Look for team image. When you see them, make it height be auto, because I want to try to arrange that picture where they made the width. Make the width be 100%. Make the width be 100%. We'll see. Okay, never see the way. More target the image itself now. I'll come here. I'll say image. Then I'll give the image display of block. Display block. And I'll still give this height auto for the image too. Height auto, then the max width 100%. Max width 100%. Must see again. Okay. Okay. It does small now. It don't small. Alright, so now what we go do here, if you see this picture, see how I say shift count down small. This is like shift count down. The shift. Even this one self, see shift count down. So what do we do? If we give a positioning. So to give the position now, which one we go give now? More look and work. More target this one. More target. More gives on the position. So I'll come in and I'll say position relative. Then more shift and small. So make the top be like 50 pixel. If I go back, refresh. Not on that way. More can go like 150. That kind of more just again as well. That kind of small shot. That's like 165. Okay, I like. Mind you, ultimately they will look like this, and because of another one when I do when I save on Photoshop, when I edit the picture, I don't arrange it well, so you can't make the size big well. So the size big now, it made the thing they take time to load. So if I refresh now, see I say if you don't refresh a bit, this one quick come outside. But also the size is too big, but I could try to tackle up for the next video. So I'm going to verse like that. So now I'm going to tackle this one now, because so far we don't carry this guy come here. Now onto this guy. So this one not waste our time now. What we'll just do, we'll come here, we'll see who the target here now. More do the same thing for this team. More give a position relative. More just shift and come down. Position relative, then top 165 too. We'll see. We'll see. Imagine what I beg. All right, this one will come down, and most tie this one first now. Abi, most tie this one now. So those now will come here. We'll say, might just copy this one. It's a bit lazy to type on. Dot team and target the H1. So you target H1 now, text transform now, maybe they capitalize, then font size, that font big way. So give them like 50 pixel, and what else again? The font width like 600, then the color that blue that time now, I'm just copying this one, this color now, paste them here. Then font family. The font family what we use You get one font like that to add downloads to Montserrat. I like that family. Yeah. Where is Montserrat? Mai's mother. Then we'll see margin bottom now. Margin right one now. So margin bottom like 20 pixel. Because normally if you see space there now, I'll make margin button into there now. So my refresh. Okay. Now this need to tick small. So this 600 not do. I can go like 800 first. Let's see. 800. And not still tick like that, therefore. I'm increase the font first. Increase the font to like 60. Refresh. Okay. I like this, but this font too. This font family them some they different. If you get one kind of font like this now, once you increase the size of the font now, it go. You need as in the just imagine this font like this now. So if you give on like maybe 20 pixel, then you get another font, you can give on 20 pixel now. So that other one, if it big past this one, even though say the two are the same font size. So you seem to take note of all these things. So my easy Montserrat, because when I look at it, I don't say yes, this simply a Montserrat type of fonts there. Because the Montserrat, I think SERRAT Montserrat. I install my system. My use on first massive. You see so I talking about big now. So this space the will I see the here now. So we need to come out space and to do now we use line height now. We use line height. So I'll come this place now. Say line height. Make the line height be like mostly 40 pixel first. Mostly 40 pixel. Refresh. Okay, to join. We can go up something like 50 pixel. 50 pixel refresh. To near. More can like 60 down. Must see. Alright, 60 down. So we'll leave on like 6. Yeah. We'll leave on like 60. Then most start this paragraph and this one will take our time. So I'll come this place now, say I'll copy this one. I'll come down. Then I'll put P. So this P like this now. To talk no easy. To talk no easy. I'm just going to say when I sky pass when they talk here. Or they cut or they try. Just talk. You know, like small talk like this now my choose that dry. So font size now. I don't use pixel. I want just say me my type of design. I try to try things anyhow. So now instead of pixel, I go use EM here now. This EM. So I don't come out of my CSS videos here. So I'm gonna go watch the video. I'm gonna understand. So the font family be Lato, then margin bottom maybe 30 pixel with that guy too. With the H1, 30 pixel. Then make the color. Let's see the same color we'll use now. This one. So we say now always I do all to this so make the color be like this. So I'll go back to my browser now. I'll refresh. God, this is too small. I can go like 9. Let's see. I think I like count like this. I'm glad I say this text if a plenty parts to get for your share, but any share we go manage it till they give us like that. So this one are for the paragraph. Then we'll do for the anchor tag and most salary button. So I'll come here now. I'll say display inline block. Display inline block. Then get that to get background now. Then we'll transform the text now. We'll say capitalize. And down underline will do the text decoration. It could be none. Then what else again? Font family. Wait, I'll go back to this itself. This text and this other one will be like CDS. So I'll change this from Lato to Mother first. Mother. I'll see. Go smaller. The bless nice one fine so this Mother. More live like this avec Mother. You find like that. So Mother show now. You see the dog get here now so. We don't get so dog come out on that line and all this other thing they work for inside but you never find a way. So the font size will this one now. I'll just see now font size just not be font family. Font family to be still Mother. That's not Mother can define what this is. Then the color to white. Very easy. FFF. If we refresh, you see advantage of the show here. So more just put background quick first can put the complaint. So I'll say background color. Background color. Maybe the background color be that brush color, which is this one also. See, maybe this brush color. So I'll come here and I'll paste them. We'll see. They'll come aside. So now for us to give this padding where the here now, so now for us to give this padding. So if you look at the padding for here now, so and here now a big padding already here and here. So that was just come in place now. So we'll give them something like let's see padding 20 pixel 40 pixel 20 pixel 40 pixel. Refresh. No. Got too long. We'll give font family first. Sorry, font size first. So font size must use em dot 8em. Okay. Here too long. Why here too short? More guys was like 60. 60. More gives on like 18. I don't know if they do me. So can't I say if I do this number say I don't just know they tend to like they want to make sure say this one must be like 60 or 40 or 50 or maybe 45, 35, 25. And they forget saying numbers like 18, 17, 16 day. I don't know if they do another person, you know, but that's they do well. But I'll try to cast that spirit now. We'll bind that on my body because it's not a good thing. So I'll come this place. I'll refresh. Okay. If you look this one now, say, if you look and see and say it curved. So border radius they work for this place now. Border radius they work for this place. So I'll come here, I'll say border radius. Now very tiny one now, so maybe that would have like 2 pixels. Border radius 2 pixel. Then what else again? You can't want to notice for this picture. Just now. If you look this place, if you look and we see and say, yeah, light pass this place. Yeah, light, yeah, dark. Because as a designer here, because I know Photoshop over too, you suppose to get sharp eye for these things. You get. So yeah, light, yeah, dark. So what I go do now? I think we'll get linear gradient now. Get linear gradient. So I'll come here, I'll say background. What's that? Background image. Background image. I'll say background image, then linear gradient. Yes, linear gradient. We'll just put 2 different color first, mostly. First put this color. In fact, I'll see to bottom. Hope I'm correct. To bottom right. And I'll put this first color here. I'll say comma, then I'll go put this other color. Say comma. Okay, now you know. I'll go my refresh. Jesus, what's I'll do? Wait till I'll do. Okay, I'll not cover this one. I'll not put this for here. I'll say Otwege. I'll not put this for this place. I'll put other cast too. The semicolon. So you see an answer. Make sure semicolon is there. If not, you go face this kind of thing. So I go refresh now. They see the gradient now. This place the dark one they appear for here now, while the other light one they appear now. So we need to just get to figure out the color already there. So I'll come this place. I think this will be like all this kind of orange red kind of things then. My type orange red first, ma see. Orange red. Yes. You enter. And that's if you debug, if you say inspect element like this now, I'll dock and for button. Inspect element. Select the button here now. That is, I select this one now. Select this thing. Then try to pinpoint the colors. If you say orange red now, which is this one now, just pick and come out somewhere like this now. Then this other one, pick and come somewhere like this now. You see how? So now I don't have it. I just want me to copy this thing like this. So then I'll copy it. I'll come back to my code and voila, not piston. So if I refresh, the code still sharp with the get. So now, like this, we'd all do this part, which is the Brussels bar, this other collection for here now, and this picture and this one. So from the next video, we go start from here, because the video is too long. We'll start from here, and we'll do all these ones come background. So that's it for this video, and thank you very much, my guys, for watching the video or any output. As me earlier, got big time from Double South, and in the like the video, subscribe, and still tell Pussy when you run the thing for you. No yawa. One love. Peace.